What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out the Styl Pro Original. So this is a brush cleaner and I saw this on Instagram quite a while back and I was skeptical on it actually working, and I remember Wayne Goss doing a video on it, and I think I saw Jeffree Star eventually do a video on it, and I guess it was something in the UK or something, and it was brought to America, and so I got this at Costco and I'm gonna go ahead and try it out and see if it actually works. So this is what it looks like picture wise. I haven't read the directions yet, so let's go ahead and open it. Okay, you can see there is a ton of different languages as far as instruction goes. Just put a bit of water because I assumed that's how much you needed. So it says, thank you for purchasing the original hygienically cleanser, blah blah blah. Okay, 1 and 2. So you have these guys that was in it. And so I'm assuming you choose which goes with what do you call it? With what brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try this out. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Let's see, hold on. This is the actual machine, I guess. I don't know if, oh, there's actually batteries in there. Okay. So I think you just put this on here and this in here. I think this is a good fit. So this is dirty. It's not super dirty. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you can kind of see it's dirty. Okay, so I did this. For powder, use soap and water. For foundation, use cleanser only. No water. Okay. So let's see. This is like a cream. Actually, you know what? I'm probably gonna use something else. So let's go ahead and try maybe, I don't want it to be a brush that I really love. I know this isn't super dirty. Hold on, guys. Let's just try it with this guy. You can tell that it's kind of dirty. I don't know if you can tell. I guess a best demonstration of this would be a super white brush, but let's experiment with this guy first and see how it goes. So I think then you put, okay, so I put this on. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of soap in there. And I'm just using the Honest shampoo body wash. Yeah. I hope I just put 1 pump. Let's just see how that works. So I'm just gonna put this lid on it. I don't know if that's enough, but we'll see. Okay, so it says switch on and wait 5 to 10 seconds and then you take it off. So switch on, so I guess you put it in here. You guys see? Let's see. Whoops, okay. All right, so you put it in here, you switch it on for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then switch on. I guess this is how you let it drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All right. Did it actually work? I don't know if it worked, guys. I'm gonna put in 1 more pump of cleanser. Let's try it one more time. So I guess you soak it for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then, is it wet? Yeah, it's pretty wet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Huh. Is it clean? Well, my brush isn't ruined, so that's a good thing. Right, guys? So, I can't tell if it was actually cleaned well. But let's try another brush. Okay. let's go ahead and try a different brush. All right, I actually will be pretty sad. I'm gonna, actually, let's do this. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild brush. I was gonna try my MAC brush, but this one, as you can see, is super dirty. Let's see if it works with this. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I should have used like my brush cleaner mix with alcohol that I have. Oh well. Okay, so again, soak this for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It doesn't look clean. Does this not work? I mean, it looks a little bit clean, but you could tell that there's definitely stuff on here. Granted, it is, I don't know. Let's try again. Okay, so I have this DIY cleanser that I have made. It's like a spot cleaner. It's kind of like the MAC DIY one. It's something I found on Pinterest. And so this is what I use to spot clean my brushes. I'm actually gonna go ahead and mix this in here because there is rubbing alcohol in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some in there and see if it helps clean better. Okay, let's go ahead and try this. Stir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm gonna use my recording as a timer. So let's do 10 seconds. Huh. That definitely cleaned better. I will say it's still dirty. You saw how dirty it was to begin with though. I think you'd have to go through and do it one more time. Let's try it again. So far, I'm not a fan. It's kind of a cool concept though, so let's try it one more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I put a little bit too much cleanser and water in there. It's getting a little crazy in there. Okay, so this is what the brush looks like. You can see it's brown. I mean, it does look cleaner, but there is still residue, if you guys can see. Honestly, is it maybe my baby shampoo going on? It could be. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. Let me try another brush. I'm gonna go ahead and try my Real Techniques brush and see if this cleans. But this way, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Ooh. You see that? I really hope these aren't ruining my brushes. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually dump this. I know I didn't do a ton of brushes, but I'm gonna use more of my brush cleaner formula to use it, just because there's alcohol in it, and so I'm gonna dump this out quick. And so I'm just gonna go ahead, just add this much to it. I think that should be enough. Okay. Let's try this one. As you can see, I haven't cleaned it in a while. So let's see. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip it. So for 5 seconds. I don't know why I still have the instructions in front of me. Okay, so let's, all right, let's go. Okay. All right. Wow, it is still pretty dirty, as you can see. But honestly, oh, look at that. That's pretty gross. I'm gonna go ahead and do that one more time. This isn't really practical because if you have a ton of brushes, which I do, this is not all of them, you're gonna have to do it a couple times. But honestly, this would be nice because whenever I do my brushes, my hands always get really pruny, even though I have a like mat that helps me wash my brushes. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one more time. Maybe I'm gonna put one more pump of cleaner. I don't remember how much I've put in here. So let's just put a little bit more. Can't hurt. So. What I really love about this is that it actually like dries it pretty nicely. Like this is barely wet. Am I too loud? Oh, okay. All right, do you see that? So it's still dirty. And honestly, I might have stained it because I waited too long to wash it, but I feel like I can get more. Sorry guys. Honestly, I can get way more off from washing it with soap and water on a mat and really washing it down, but honestly this will do for now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean most of these brushes because I just need them to use and I don't have time to clean them. So let's just clean them all while I have you guys here. All right, that's it for today, guys. Honestly, I probably wouldn't recommend purchasing this just because it just didn't clean as well as I thought it would clean. And so you're really better off just cleaning it in the sink with like a mat that helps you clean, just because it just doesn't clean as well. It could be different if you maybe clean your brushes on a weekly basis, but this is a few weeks of makeup, I guess, but also it has been like I've been spot cleaning them, if that makes sense. So overall, yes, it's a good concept, it's a cool idea, but honestly, I don't think it's necessarily worth it. Maybe if you're a makeup artist and you need to clean right after each client, it might be worth it. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next. Bye, guys.